Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Mscrisssy.
And my name's Dontae.
And in today's video, I actually have my boyfriend joining us today because we actually surprised each other with the shoes. As you guys can tell from the title, we are going to style Air Jordan 1 University.
That's right, we're gonna be doing a Style With Me couple edition. Wait,
yes.
Let's crack open these shoes.
Let's go ahead and take a look real quick. I don't want to talk about all the details, how we surprised each other, but just know I was shook to the core. Like, I was surprised. I didn't expect this coming for sure. So this is what it looks like. His and hers. Ooh.
Beautiful, beautiful shoes.
Beautiful for sure. What do you like about the shoes?
I love the colorway. I love the contrast between the black, the white, and the blues. I love the quality of it. And of course, the Air Jordan 1 silhouette.
And look at the shoelace, guys. We got the black and the baby blue. I wish they came out with the white
laces.
Yeah, the white laces would look so dope with this. So in this video, you guys already know I do 3 different looks and he's gonna be doing the same thing too. It's gonna be really fun. And for all the ladies out there, just remember, fashion does not have a gender. You can wear whatever you want, baggy clothes, whatever you feel the most confident in your body. That's all that matters. Otherwise, if you know your friends or your family are telling you those are too baggy for you, they need to get out of your life.
Basically, if you wear dresses all day, this is not the video for you. This is for the people who love streetwear,
sporty looks.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we're gonna be styling.
So the main reason why he's here is because
I'm basically here because I'm Chrissy's boyfriend and I support her 1000%. And no matter what the video idea is, I have to help her. But to be completely honest with you, I want to give people out there ideas on how to style these J's, how to feel confident, because not so long ago, I didn't feel so confident being in front of the camera, or if you're not even in front of the camera, just styling yourself and feeling confident in your clothes. And I feel like because of her, I've been able to help find my style. I've been more confident with posing, so I hope that this helps you for the guys out there and the ladies watching. So if you do enjoy this so far, please hit that like button. If you're not already, consider subscribing to Mscrissy's channel today. Turn on that bell icon so you never miss out on a video when she uploads, and drop down a comment. If you want to see videos from both of us together again, let us know what you want to see. So, do you want to style outfit first, or should I style an outfit first?
I think both of us should go ahead and do it.
Okay.
So?
We'll be right back.
Be right back.
Boom! By the magic of production, we are back, ladies and gentlemen. So.
All right. So let me go first.
Yeah, tell me what you got. This is your channel.
Basic. So as you guys can see, I have this Aussie shirt. This is from Thrifted Girls. This is available right now if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it. Link in my description down below. And I was like, I don't have any like black and blues with this. I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and put this on together. And I actually got this from Bravest Studios. If you guys ever want like a custom shorts like this, it's a Louis Vuitton. Make sure you guys click the link in my description down below. This is a size medium. This is perfect for the shoes.
Look at that. Oh yeah, definitely.
Take a look at it.
Definitely.
Obviously this one's way too big, but just look at this. Like,
with imagination. That's perfect.
Let me see yours though.
Okay, my fit. So you said you went basic. I think I went a little bit more basic than you. So underneath we're gonna have this distressed t-shirt that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's one of my favorite essential t-shirts. Highly recommend you guys get a pack of white tees from Uniqlo or somewhere. It's super cheap, and what's cool is you can layer them with a lot of things. The next thing, speaking of layering, is the Bravest Studio Louis Vuitton puffer coat. So we're gonna put the t-shirt under there. Does that look okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So basically, it features the full Louis Vuitton monogram across the entire jacket. I love this. It matches perfect with the universities. And then we're gonna set up that contrast with a pair of black Levi's 550 jeans right here from Threaded Girls. Whew, I love these jeans so much.
If you guys want like a baggy jeans, make sure it's a 550.
Yeah, those are our favorite. If not, if you don't mind not having the zipper fly and you have the butterfly, you can go with the 501 jeans as well. Just any straight leg Levi's. It really just depends on your body type.
Yeah. Are you ready to go and style them together?
I'm ready. Don't forget your shoes.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they said it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to wrestle with 2 tones. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Paid your car, you piece of this, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that file on the performing. If I can't just came in and all honest. Vibes below cute shit, they all honest. From another way up, nigga, I know they hating
fire. What do you think about that outfit?
Oh, I loved it. It made me feel super confident, super comfortable. If you're cold or if it's hot, you can take off the jacket, you can unzip it. It was an extremely comfortable outfit, and I love how it turned out. I would wear this outfit if I was like going to somewhere like New York, right? This would be the perfect fit coming straight off the plane if you're just there for a day and you know it's gonna be cold. It really just depends though, because the jacket is not, I feel like you can't wear this all the time, but you could have this style towards nighttime and bring it out when it gets colder, if it's not colder in the daytime. But this is definitely a statement piece. This with the shoes, automatically a statement piece. And of course, you know, I had to style it with the New York cap as well. Got this from Lids. What about you?
I actually love it. It's springtime in LA right now. It's like, this is actually perfect for this weather right now. I know you're like into like the winter stuff, but I kind of just want to feel comfy and just, you know, a little bit loose at the, you know, at the same time. So yeah, this is definitely something I would wear if I'm doing errands or if I really just want to hang out and get some boba. This is probably like
fire fit.
Fire fit. Let's go ahead and try the second outfit now.
All right.
Woo! All right.
Ooh, that's a big small closet, you know what I mean?
All right, you can go first.
I can go first, okay. So first of all, we're gonna start off with the Levi's 550 jeans. Again, you can't go wrong with the contrast there, right? So this is from the last fit that I styled. I love and I live in my Levi's. But I know you were saying something to me when we were looking for clothes that you should try and style an all black fit and just have the blue stand out. So I said, you know what? That's a great idea. So what I did was, for my t-shirt, just in case it gets hot, I got this 2000 Rock WWF wrestling t-shirt right here. It's from the year 2000, that's why I said that. You know, when it's vintage, I have to say the date. I feel cooler when I do that. But this is like the perfect big print. You got a little bit of the North Carolina University blue right there, so that's where you get the blue accents for it. And then on the back it says, know your role. This is a part of the Threaded Girls vault. This is not available on the website, but you can shop very dope pieces like this. Link will be in the description down below. Use promo code Mscrisssy to save 15% off. And then on top of that, we're going with the vintage look. You know, we had to add this faded 90s Nike crew neck sweatshirt. I'm sure you've seen Mscrisssy rock this. I pulled this out of her side of the closet. We share clothes.
Yes, we do.
And this is honestly the perfect fit because even if you don't see the shirt, you know, the shoes are the statement piece in this. And Nike Jordan, it all goes together. It gives it that nice retro vintage look.
I like it. I like it. I really like how you put this outfit together.
If I don't wear this black hat, I'm thinking about wearing my all-white New York Yankees cap with that.
Okay,
So,
I like that.
Thank you. What about you?
All right, so for me, you already know I had to pull this out. This is my 550 denim jeans from Levi's that I pulled out from Melrose like 2 to 3 years ago. They're a little bit tight now. They were supposed to be baggy, but I don't know, maybe the opposite. I got bigger, who knows?
I think, nah, you didn't get bigger. I think I threw them in the dryer one time. I'm sorry.
Now we know you're gonna have to get me a new pair because, boy, I gotta suck it in all the time. Okay, so that's that.
Those are cute.
And so for the top, I
Ooh.
decided to get this Taz crew neck from Threaded Grails. I just love the details. It's Taz, obviously.
It's
very simple.
But it's...
And the main reason why I decided to style this together is because, again, the shoes is pretty light, pretty bright. So I kind of just want to contrast from light to dark. As you guys can tell, this is dark blue. So that's what it's gonna look like. I really love it. Are you ready to style them together?
I'm definitely ready to go style this. Let's go.
Let's go.
Get my shoes.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after. Start down, you acting like we, acting like we. With more than some more flick. I said it will, you took it will. Promise I won't cry, what's the give me a bit of power, give me another vow. Give me another
Oh my god.
Man. Changing back and forth into outfits is hot. Let me tell you that.
I don't know how you did the first one because that one was way too hot. I'm already
Right.
hot with this one, boy. But I really like how I put this outfit together. What do you think?
I loved how it looked. It's super casual, comfy. The one thing that I would say you might want to do just in case you get hot is maybe like a white crop top underneath. And then still you got the Levi's, you ready to work.
This is like a casual like day for me. If I'm going out to go on a picnic or going to the beach just to see the view or going to Joshua Tree again, this is probably something I would wear because it gets cold at night. So yeah, definitely wear a crop top underneath just in case if I do get hot.
For me, this is like an essential fit. You can never go wrong with an all black fit. You can alternate any shoes with this. That's the beautiful thing. So if you got a nice faded black crew neck and nice faded black jeans, I would honestly layer a black t-shirt underneath. You can do white, but other colors. It really just depends on the shoes that you're rocking. This is definitely like the minimalist, what do they call those people? Minimalist, right?
Yeah, minimalist.
Yeah, this is the minimalist
like
fit.
If you're really still like into the sneaker game, but you know, you don't really know how to rock them, if you're just being lazy and you want like a 5-minute look, just throw on some black outfits and then wear your university.
And you don't have to worry about getting any stains on it.
Oh God. All right, let's move on to the last outfit. All right.
Wait, did you just trip?
No.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were tripping. That's why I stopped. I was gonna stop you.
I almost tripped. Let's do it again. My slide got stuck here like this. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go first for this one. Since we're talking about basic and minimalist, right?
Yeah, essentials.
I wanted to do something for the ladies out there, okay? Not everything I wear is gonna be baggy. So if you're the type of girl who wants to just get out the house in like 5 minutes, just throw on some matching sets. Ooh. Like you can never go wrong. Like
she ready to show some skin.
Exactly. I love this baby blue. It's just perfect for just the shoes in general. Just look at this bad boy right here.
Sheesh.
Together.
Those are my shoes, by the way. Her feet aren't that big.
But it's basic. I love it and I look really sexy in it. So that's why. All right, let me see what you got there.
Okay. So, oh boy, I've had this sit in my closet for a while. I've styled it with different shoes. But when I saw the University Blues, I just immediately thought about this jacket that I have. This is my favorite 90s Nike windbreaker jacket.
FYI, this was actually mine originally. You guys probably seen this on my Style With Me video with the Royal Blues. I actually styled them before, but then I was like, it's way too baggy. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to him, so.
I am the one who actually found this and bought it.
But it's mine. See, that's what happens when you have...
At the end of the day, I'm glad we never sold this jacket because this is a beautiful jacket. There's no stains, no rips, nothing. But let's get into why I chose this. So you got the big patch, you got the small patch right on the front. You know it's vintage because it's got that big white Nike logo right there, right? So then I decided, okay, well, what if I don't want to wear the jacket or I want to make more of a statement? Because, you know, the big statement is on the back of this jacket, not necessarily the front. So I added this 2005 Team America movie t-shirt. And you see it's got some blues in there that match with it, the black, and it's a nice white t-shirt. So if I decided not to wear the jacket and I just wanted to wear the t-shirt, this would work totally fine with the shoes. Team America is one of my favorite movies. It's hilarious. If you're over 18, I highly recommend you to watch it. If you're under 18, then I suggest you ask your parents first. And then for the bottoms, again, you see the theme that we got going on here. We live in our Levi's jeans. I believe these are a pair of 550s, but the logo is messed up. These are the stonewashed jeans. You can never go wrong with stonewashed denim jeans.
All right. Whoa, makeup.
My bad.
Okay, are you ready to style them?
This is the last fit, y'all. If you're
Let's
enjoying
go.
this video, like it so far. Please, I'm breaking the sweat.
All we wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving fast. Candy paint with the windows on black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money. Thing we up till 6 in the morning. And the sunrise will be on it. Boy, I got five, we won't stop alive. We wanna go, baby, when we go.
Wow. Whew. I like this outfit. Which one was your favorite outfit out of all the ones that you styled?
Oh, that's tough. I love all three of them equally. And I will have to say, surprisingly, I really like the all black fit as my favorite outfit.
I can definitely picture that because that's you every single day. Every time you go out, go into Target, I can definitely see you wearing that.
You know, it sucks, ladies and gentlemen. That Nike crew neck is Chrissy, so I can't even wear it out. So I gotta go find my own vintage crew neck.
I mean, if it fits you, you can go ahead and borrow it. Just know, per hour it's gonna cost you $10. Gotta make my money, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. No.
What
but
about
for
you?
me, I would have to say this one because you know me. I love my sweats. I live in my sweats. That's like my everyday go-to. I can literally wear this as a PJs too if I want to, but like
true.
You know me. I love my sweats. I'm wearing sets right now.
True.
So it's like this is definitely my go-to. My second favorite would have to be the second one, which is a Taz, because that's like my go-to. I don't really like showing off, you know, my stomach a lot outside. So whenever I'm out, I kind of just want to be comfortable and not too baggy. And then the last would be the first one.
Wow, that's crazy. For me, I thought that the first one was my favorite.
You know what's crazy? I actually like the first outfit you put on together.
Really?
Yeah, I really like it. I really like the Louis Vuitton. But, you know, it's way too hot now in LA. So that's definitely something I would wear if, like, it's winter time.
Well, at least we got options to style with these shoes, and I hope that helped you guys out. If you enjoyed this version of Style with me, let us know in the comment section down below. If not, I will not make an appearance on Chrissy's channel, and I will stay away, and you won't see me again.
Don't say that. I'm sure they definitely want to see you more. You're on my vlog literally every single time, so there's no way.
I know,
if
it's
you guys want to
so they can drop a comment down below. If you want to see more fashion tips, make sure you follow Mscrisssy. Links will be in the description, but you can also type it in on Instagram, TikTok. And if you want to learn more about photography, filmmaking, how to make really dope videos with your phone, follow me on Instagram at Dontae. I also have a YouTube channel where you can see my lifestyle, where I do beatboxing videos and I do filmmaking photography there as well. If you enjoyed this Style with me boyfriend couple edition, make sure to smash that like button so we know you enjoyed this. Drop a comment down below and let Chrissy know what you want to see next on the channel and what you thought about this. Also, let us know which ones were your favorite outfits. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on another video that Chrissy uploads. She uploads every single week. Also, share this with a friend, you know, help them out. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's do it again. Ready? Bye. Let's go, babe. Thank you. Love you.
Let's go. It's time to eat.
Pizza. Yo, your pizza was fire last time.
Yeah, with the sausage.
You got the leftovers, but you get the leftover now.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna, yeah. This trip got you in heat.